Hello guys, welcome back to the Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul Ghafoor and you are watching YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the IQ level, one of the most important question of your pedagogy, and it was part of the October 13 and previous exam. So many teachers were worried about that how to answer. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that what is IQ level, what are the different IQ levels, and how you can calculate the IQ level of your students and what is the average IQ level of the population. And this is I'm going to explain on the Bell curve, which is the one of the important and major component of this video. Before starting the video, if you are interested in online classes for January session for cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, and a specialization for science cycle 2 and a specialization for cycle 1 English. My contact detail has been given in the description. Feel free. You will be finding a huge discount in January sessions. So hurry up. There's a limited slots available. So let's discuss about this bell curve chart. Okay. So all the IQ levels has been represented in this bell curve and how we are going to calculate this one. So this bell curve has, the lineup that is the difference of the 15% of the standard deviation from both sides, from left and right. If you're going to calculate from the 100 to 115, 100 to 30, and 100 to 45. Similarly, in the left side, you can see it. Okay. This is the first thing. Okay. Next thing is the average IQ level of the population is 100. And you can see here, these are the two others, the averages of the 68% and 95%. So I'm going to explain these two components, that how we're going to calculate. But before that, let me show you the IQ levels first. So if a student who falls between 1 to 24, that is a profound mental disability. That means the child has, mental disability. Similarly, 25 to 39, that has a severe mental disability. From 40 to 54, that has a moderate disability. So this is the scale as you can measure, that scales from, that shows the higher disability level, and that shows the lower, that means the increasing of the IQ level, and this up shows the decreasing of the IQ level. From 55 to 69, that's a mild mental disability. From 70 to 84, that's a borderline mental disability. This is the point which is important that you should remember. From 85 to 114, this is an average intelligence, as I have discussed on the bell curve, that the average IQ level is from 85 to 114, or sometimes we say that 115. If a child has a score 115 to 129, we consider the average or bright student. If a child has a score 130 to 144, that's a moderately gifted. If a child has a 149 to 159, that's a highly gifted. A child has a 160 to 179, that is exceptionally gifted. And above 180, it's a profound and gifted. So make sure that you know these levels, and they can ask you most probably about the average intelligence, and the average IQ level is 85 to 115, which is an 68% of the population. This is the second thing I wanted to share with you. So in a general IQ level, that means not only the intelligence, that means the students who are reasoning and problem solving, the level of the reasoning and solving the problem, the abilities of the reasoning and solving the problems, that is the IQ level meaning. Now let's talk about this chart. Now what this bell curve shows at this point, this shows the average or mean. Majority of a score lie between average or mean. So average of mean, that is in 100%. I have already discussed this. Another point, 6%, as you can see here, 95% of the population is uh, between 70 to 130. And this is the one we can set that 68% population falls in between 85 and 100. So this is this left side of the bell curve shows the lower average score. Okay, and right side of the the curves shows the higher average of the score. So by this way we can calculate. So what are the major component of this video that you should remember? That the total population, how much percentage of the total population falls between 85 to 15. That's a 68%, and 95% of the population falls between 70 to 130 percent of the IQ level. This is the third thing. So how we can calculate the mean of this, and how do we know that's a 100% is average? So you have to calculate the total of this value, which is which is 700. And when you are going to calculate the mean, that means you have to calculate the total of the value and divided by numbers. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7. That will give it to you how much? That's 100. So that's an average IQ level of the population. And in an average level, there's a 60% falls from 85 to 115, and from 70 to 130 is a 95%. I'm sure this information will help you to answer the question related with the IQ level. If you have any question you want to discuss about this, the lesson, please drop your comment. My WhatsApp is given for more detail. We'll be meeting the next lesson. Till that, stay blessed and take care.